Hello friends, in this particular video we will try to understand how exactly an intrusion detection system works. An intrusion detection system acts as a digital security guard, continuously monitoring your network traffic for suspicious activity that might indicate an attack. While similar to intrusion prevention system, it focuses on detection rather than immediate prevention. So here is how it works. In the step 1, the data flows through the network. Information travels as data packets across your network, similar to the people moving through a building. These packets could be emails, websites, traffic, or any other digital communication. Next, we have IDS monitors traffic and analyzes. The IDS constantly observes the network traffic, analyzing each packet based on predefined rules and signatures. These rules could look for unusual activity, known attack patterns, or specific file types associated with the malware. In the next step, that is identification of the suspicious activity, if the IDS detects anything suspicious like a packet carrying malicious code or exceeding typical data size, it raises an alarm. This could be an alert sent to a security administrator, logged for further investigation, or even triggered additional actions like stopping the suspicious traffic flow. Investigation and response. The security team then investigates the alert to determine if it's a genuine threat or a false positive. If it's a real threat, they take appropriate actions such as isolating the infected device, patching vulnerabilities, or notifying authorities. So we have different types of network intrusion detection systems. That is, network IDS or NITS monitors network traffic for suspicious activity across entire network. Next, we have host IDS, that is HITS, monitors individual devices on the network for suspicious activity on the device itself. So the strengths and weaknesses of IDS are: strength is it's cost effective, can detect novel attacks, provides valuable information for incident response. Weaknesses is its reactive approach and cannot directly prevent attacks and requires skilled personnel for analysis. So these are some of the important details and working methodology of an intrusion detection system. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.